how to make holiday glazed ham. Like so. I'm going to continue to mix this, but before I do anything else, I'm gonna put this actually in the oven like right now, guys. It's going in the oven like right now. I'm gonna try to cook some of this, and then we're gonna come and put some of this stuff on it. All right, and then we'll decorate it with all this other good stuff. See you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I am back. This is how I look after 45 minutes. You see how it opens up in here. Let me get some grab this. Okay, this is what I was trying to show you guys. See how it opens up like that? And the red stuff is on there, that's from the cherries. Okay, I just poured the rest of the juice on there, like so. That's all I did. That's all I did, guys. So, yep, we're going to go ahead and put the rest of these in here, whatever, because I'm not going to use all of them. We're going to come in here, a little pineapple juice, poke that on here. All right, I'm getting low down here on the juice with the soda. We're gonna put us like a half a cup of that on there. So we don't want our stuff to dry out. Okay? I know it looks weird, but I'm telling you, wait till you try it. It is good. Trust me, believe me. Alright, so this is what we're gonna do. I have an injector. Here's my stuff right here. I have an injector right here. I'm just gonna come inside here and start injecting some of this flavor in here. Alright. A little bit more of this stuff. And if you do it like this guy, I guarantee you won't have no ham left over. I promise you that. Your family will definitely love you for it. Alright, now what we're going to do here, we're going to take some of this glazed stuff and we're just going to pour some on top of it. Okay. And also, I did put a teaspoon of this lemon juice in that also. And I will put a little bit more in here, the juice. Probably like a teaspoon. Just like that, guys. Trust me when I tell you it's gonna be off the chain. We're gonna come in here with our little honey. I know you like, don't you already have the glaze, bro? Trust me, just trust me. Don't knock it till you try it. Alright. We're gonna put this bad boy back in the oven and let it cook for about another 45 minutes. And in between that 45 minutes, I may use some more of this stuff to baste it with. So that's how that looks right now. Alright. Alright guys, see you guys in a minute. Put this back in the oven. Okay fam, I am back. we're gonna go ahead and start hooking this up. First thing we want to do, take our little cherry and pineapples and stuff like that. We're just gonna put those up in here. This is just decoration, really. I mean, give it a little bit of flavor too as well. Nothing to it but to do it. I like to stick mine like in between the grooves so it can get some more moisture. And not just that, more flavor. Like that, guys. And once we get done doing this, all we're gonna do is cook this for another 15 more minutes, and we should be good to go. Okay, but this is all I did with the pineapple and the thing. I just poked it in there like that. Took a cherry. That's it. That's all I did. Glazed holiday ham. For any occasion. It could be for the holidays or whatever. Alright, so we did that. I did go ahead and get me some more of my stuff. And I'm just going to squeeze some more of this stuff in there. Just a little bit at a time. Talking about something good. OMG. Oh, you just don't know what you have bestowed on me. All right. Then I'm gonna take the rest of this stuff and I'm just gonna drizzle this on here. Just like that, guys. All right. All right, we're gonna put this bad boy back in the oven for 15 more minutes. For 15 minutes. Total cooking time on this, about 2 hours. I mean, you can do it less than that because the ham is pretty much cooked. But if you want that stuff to absorb some of this flavor, you want to cook it for about 2 hours. So I'll just put some on the front side for it won't dry out. And you want some of this juice to stay in there anyway, because when you cut it, it's going to be your juice, okay? Keep it nice and tender and juicy for you. All right, I'm done with that. You can take the rest of these pineapples and cherries and stuff, you can just throw them in here. Doesn't matter. It's just going to give you juice just that much more flavor. Here's my rest of my pineapple. And try this recipe with like some fresh pineapple. It really tastes super good, guys. Okay. Alright guys, going back in the oven for about 15 minutes and I'll show you guys what we got. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. There it is. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. I'm gonna tell you right now, this ham is off the chart. I'm not gonna lie to you. You gotta use that pineapple soda, okay? This is the glazed holiday ham. From my home to your home. So guys, tune into this. You really want this for your recipe. You really want this for your recipe. And please give me a like and a share. And please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that bell. Please hit that bell. Please hit this bell like that. For me. And share it out. Please share it out. I'll see you guys next time. And thank you for watching. And VELDOGGS Kitchen. Much love. Thank you.